The Penguins win a battle for the puck, or it looked like they did. In comes Kunitz to help out. Good battle. Matthias Ekholm taken down. There'll be a penalty here against Evgeny Malkin. And there's a Predator down on the ice, hurt.
Jim, this isn't the penalty that's called, but no. Kunitz cross-checked Subban right in the back of the head. I don't even think the call was Kunitz originally.
Oh, I think the call's right there. The first one.
Yeah, the hook was on Malkin, isn't it? But it was the linesman, Jim, that saw the Kunitz hit right here and thought that that's why the arm went up. This will be a really interesting call. And the two officials right now, Kevin Pollock and Dan O'Halloran, are discussing.
And we'd have a 5-on-3 situation like Pittsburgh got in game number 1.